In this tutorial, I just want to show you how to use a custom spelling list generator that I host on my website, learnersgrid.com. So if you come to the home page, it looks like this, with all the different subject areas that you can investigate. Click on English. Come to the English homepage, click on spelling, obviously. When you come to the spelling, you can see there's other topics as well, but the main one at the top is a custom spelling list generator. You can watch this video here, or you can go straight to the spelling list generator. So click on Let's Go, and you get to a page that looks like this. Now, you do have to wait until the page has finished loading. And you can see up here, just wait till that stops going around and around and around, and the page should be ready to use. Once the page has fully loaded, you're ready to go. Now you can see here, there are a number of topics or categories of word types, and you can see each list by clicking here. You can see here, just hide that list now, word endings ing, adding ing to verbs, check it out, there's a whole bunch of words there, hide the list. Some commonly misspelt words, show the list and hide the list. There's New Zealand essential spelling lists here, and you can use those as well. Click on those, you can choose any words from here. So that's kind of the basics of how the page operates, but here's the magic of the whole page. If I wanted to select some words from any of these categories, so I've got New Zealand spelling lists, I've got most commonly misspelt words, I've got days, months, seasons, numbers, colors, including in Māori, so you can use that there. I've got word endings, suffixes, prefixes, word strings, compound words, contractions, question words, homophones, silent letter words, double consonant words, irregular verbs. So it's a relatively comprehensive list of words that would be useful for any primary, middle school age spelling program. Just bear in mind that my spellings are all British spellings because my website caters more towards the New Zealand curriculum. So here's how it works, and here's the magic of the generator. For example, if I wanted to use some New Zealand essential spelling list words, I could go there and make some selections. 1, 2, 3. I'll take 3 from there. I could get some from somewhere else, take those ones, and then I'll hide the list to make this whole process a little bit easier to navigate. I'll take some from the commonly misspelled words. So this one's a really good one. Caribbean or Caribbean, depending on your pronunciation. Hide the list, get it out of the way. I'll take some words from here. So February, I'll take the English version, the modern Māori version, and the traditional transliterated version of the same word. Then I will take it further down, take some other words. Let's say, for example, I was to look at shun sound endings. Take some words from there, magician, politician, hide that list. Now, when I'm finished collecting my words, I'll just take one more, falsehood. Okay. When I'm finished, all I need to do is click generate. So I'll click generate. Now that comes at the bottom of any list. So it's all through this document. So just click generate. When you click generate, this happens. You get a new page opening, and on that page you have all the words that you selected, and you get some practice columns. So the idea would be, here's the word, you cover the words, you write it out. You cover the word, write it out a second time, cover the words, write it out a third time. So you have the opportunity on this page, once it's printed out, to have repeated practice. And you can print this page nice and easily, just click on that, and away you go. I can easily imagine a situation where you want to include some particularly special words or words that you don't think are on this list, or you couldn't find them on this list. That's no problem. You want to leave a couple of rows blank for these special words. So here's what you do. You go here, you click on, let's say, for example, there are 3 special words that I don't think are on this list. I want to include those. And I'll just get some other words so you can see how that works. I'll take that one, and that one. I'll generate my list. It looks like this, and you can see those 3 blanks that I chose are in here. Write those special words in by hand, and you can still use the rest of the worksheet as I explained earlier. So that's how you use this particular generator, this teaching and learning tool. Hopefully you'll find it really useful, and happy spelling.